Hi guys, I'm back again with another unboxing. I promised you a few in a row, so that's what you're going to get next. And today I'm unboxing the July edition of Glossybox UK. And again, it's a lovely pretty themed one, ocean themed. A lot of things are ocean themed this month. The Tilly Box video, which I hope you've watched, is ocean themed, and so is this one. As you can see, with all the little fishies, and it's like a moonlight ocean. So I love it when they do a different box design, and they have. So this is what it looks like. Voila. Nice aqua ribbon, and we've got a little book in there to see what's in it. So here we go. Aqua, nice sort of teal tissue. Right. What does it say? Aloha glossies. Get your bikinis at the ready because we're feeling tropical. We love the ease of holiday beauty, from bronze skin to the mermaid waves after you go swimming in the ocean. I've got more than mermaid waves. I don't know. I've straightened my hair today and it's already gone. Whoa. My hair's the bane of my life at the moment. I used to have straight hair, that's all I can say. I used to have straight hair and I don't know where it's gone. Now I wash my hair and it literally looks like I've had it spiral permed, and it never used to look like that before. So I think I'm going to have to embrace the wave and the curl now a bit more than what I have done. So anyway, we're bringing you the delights of the tropics so you can go from beach to bar in style. This month's edit is filled with beach babe essentials, from an ocean-infused wave creator for your hair to a shimmering makeup brush. Your July edit also features beauty staples along with an extraordinary saviour for your teeth, along with a 6th extra treat to protect your skin even. Glossies, let's dive in, your Glossybox team. Right, first product. This is the first one they mentioned. Right, now, I don't know if I mentioned, I think I did mention when I read the preview about this product, that I've got a iffy experience with these things. Seawater hairspray. Some of them in the early days when I used to do it used to be very drying. If you want, they might be good for me embracing the curl, but they did used to be quite drying on the hair because of the salt content. So I don't know about this, but I've got a couple that I've never used, so I might actually give this a go and maybe scrunch it in and emphasize the curly waves. Sun, sea, sand and salt hairspray. This will help you achieve the beachy mermaid waves you've been dreaming of. Well, I'm getting those naturally now. I don't know about dreaming of them. It's maybe. It's the perfect heat-free curl enhancer for that effortless windswept. I've not even tried. Look, that sounds more my line actually. I think I can go with that. After shaking, spring into damp hair and twisting strands to create more texture. You can also spritz this on dry hair to recreate waves and add beachy texture. Full size, which is actually really small full size for a hair product. It's 50 mils and the recommended retail price they've given is £16. Should we give it a go? Okay, let's go. Ooh, it smells lovely. Scrunch. I'll just end up with it looking silly. Scrunch. Or shall we try twisting? We'll try twisting. Okay, maybe better on dry hair, wet hair I mean, because it means actually dry. But it smells nice enough. My hair doesn't feel as though I've sprayed salt all over it, so that's not too bad. Because I don't like when you get salt water, it goes crispy, and that's what I don't like. Never mind. Anyway, I will give that a go. I am going to try and embrace the wave a bit more, so I will give that a go. Right, next up. Palmer's Coconut Oil Conditioning Shampoo. You know me, I love hair products and shampoo. Coconut oil conditioning shampoo for dry, damaged, colour treated hair. Yeah, that's mine all over. 50 ml size. That's what it looks like. Now, we don't know Palmer's for cocoa butter, but I find their cocoa butter a little bit sickly. I prefer the Body Shop, but they don't do it anymore. And this is a deluxe mini size worth $1.99 apparently. So that's that one. Sun, sea and sand can lead to dry hair, so we're bringing you this gentle travel size conditioning shampoo made with ethically sourced raw coconut oil and Tahitian manoi. I love Tahitian manoi. So hopefully I will like this. Your hair will be left deeply hydrated, shiny and smelling tropical. Once more, it's free from nasties including parabens and mineral oil. Does it include SLS though? Sodium something. Alonic sulfonate, that's coconut, isn't it? No, it doesn't appear to have any SLS in. No, it doesn't. No sulfates. No sulfates, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no dyes, no parabens, no gluten. So yeah, so I will definitely give that a go and see how that goes. My hair actually is starting to wave, you can see it is. Right, next one. Scroll. Oh, mascara. This is the Oriflame, the 5-in-1 Wonder Lash mascara. Jetting off, this 5-in-1 mascara means you can leave your eyelash curlers at home because it lifts, curls, separates, volumizes, lengthens. With the double-sided brush, we recommend lifting and sculpting with the short bristles and combing with the long bristles to lengthen and define. Oriflame are Swedish, aren't they, I think? It's no wonder that one is sold every 4 seconds. Wow, so this is obviously a good seller. So this is 8 mils. That's the size. Can you see that? Okay. Okay. That's what it looks like, and this is a full size, and the recommended retail is £9. So nice full size item, mascara. Always like trying new mascaras. Next, Inuwet. Calling all mermaids, this shimmering shell brush from Korean brand Inuwet is a fabulous multitasker. With short, super soft bristles, it's perfect for precision contouring, bronzing, and highlighting. Gorgeous addition to your makeup bag, is also vegan friendly and cruelty free. So it's in a packet. So let's see. Oh yeah, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, that's good. Oh, and it's lovely and soft as well. Basically a shell, and you've got gorgeous curved blue bristles, which, as you say, will fit perfectly in the contours of your face for contouring and things. So yeah, that's really, really soft. That's really cute. That's really cute. If you like streamline perfection, maybe not, but I think that's really cute, and it looks as though it's really practical as well. Full size, recommended retail price $13.20. So another full size item, good price there for that. It feels lovely as well, so I look forward to using them. And next we have toothpaste. There's a lot of these boxes put toothpaste in, and a lot of people say, why do you put toothpaste in? Toothpaste is all about beauty. It's about health aspects, but if you don't want horrible teeth and pretty lipstick, it just doesn't work. So yeah, I'm all for toothpaste, and it's something you'll always use as well. Right, this is the Regenerate Enamel Science Advanced Toothpaste. Now I do actually have a kit that I was sent about this. I've actually got a few dental stuffs I need to talk about, but on the blog, because I do actually review dental stuff occasionally. And yeah, I've got a kit of this to review. Enamel Science Advanced Toothpaste. Once you've tried it, you won't go back. This is the first toothpaste of its kind to regenerate enamel and reverse the early erosion process. That's a big claim. The ingredients form a fresh supply of enamel minerals which wrap around your teeth. For the best results, use this in place of your regular toothpaste. Now this is 14ml tube. Deluxe 14ml mini worth £2.50. I like the Glossybox are actually starting to put the correct pricing on for things now to give people an idea of just what they're getting for their money. So I think that's a good idea. So that's that. And finally, Hawaiian Tropic Duo Defense Sun Lotion SPF 30. We've included a little treat for this summer months. This new sun lotion not only contains high UV protection, but also contains an anti-pollution layer for duo defense. Infused with green tea extract, mango, guava, papaya and passion fruit, it instantly transports you to the tropics. Remember to apply 20 minutes before sun exposure and apply frequently. So it's just a little extra. It's a 7.4ml sachet of Hawaiian Tropic Duo Defense Sun Cream. So that looks really interesting box actually. I was a little bit cynical about this in the first place, but it does smell nice, so I'm going to give it a go. Shampoo I'll use, mascara I'll use, the brush is so cute. Toothpaste you'll always use, and oh, I've found something else. I seem to have an extra product. I don't know what it is, but I seem to have an... Oh, they've given me an extra item. Oops. I don't think they should have done. I've now got 7 items, but this was floating in the bottom of my box. So maybe that's not supposed to be there. Is anything else hiding there? No, just this. I think this is a mistake. It is the Eyeko, that's where I draw the line, liquid eyeliner. So I seem to have an extra product that isn't listed. Yeah, okay. I won't tell them about that. Yeah, extra eyeliner. So I will put the details below, but I think that might have been an alternative product to something else that I've got. But I will put the details below so you can know how much that's worth, even though I don't think I should have got it. Right, and then it just says August Skin Sneak Peek, cruelty-free eyeshadow from Eyeliner, a brand which encourages diversity and self-expression through makeup. So it looks as though it's an eyeshadow paint. Corner there. But yay, free eyeliner. Yeah, I definitely don't think that's supposed to be in there. So yeah, that was Glossybox. I think it was another good one. I think it's decent. I think obviously, you know, it depends what you want from life and things. But I don't think there's anything too much wrong with that. The values there, as I say, I will indicate that below. So yeah, another nice one, and I got a free eyeliner, so I can't complain. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I will link to Glossybox below. I think it is an affiliate link, but I'll link to them below so you can have a look if you want to subscribe yourself. Yeah, and I'll also link to my social media as well. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some more unboxings very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.